Guangdong AccuBal Intelligent Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of automatic weighing equipment and also provides customized weighing solutions to global market. Located in Guangdong Intelligent Manufacture Base, which is a technology front, our plant construction area expanded to 21,000 square meters with registered capital of $3 million. We own an experienced team with integrated ability, which including R&D, manufacturing, sales installation and debugging, technical training, after-sales service. We also expand our business in domestic market and international market, setting up network services all over the world. AccuBal enjoys the high reputation in packaging machinery industry with its considerate and quick reaction services, win deep trust of many customers. Moreover, all of our products have passed China Metrology Certification (NCE) with more than 10 years of development. Win the market with quality, develop with good service is the concept that we always adhere to. We will strive to integrate advanced automatic technology into the weighing equipment, develop more and more stable and efficient automatic multi-head weigher. Our product including new generation multi-head weigher, high-speed mixing weigher, large volume salad weigher, super precision micro weigher, sticky product linear weigher. We strive to promote industrial automation to help our customers save production costs and increase production efficiency. We are grateful to have the opportunity to be partner of your ummanned factory. Commit to providing excellent service beyond your expectation.